I think we should go there and do that ceremony over there.
उनको वहीं वॉर्ड दे दें, उनको वॉक करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है.
Thank you so much. Okay, the next prize winner is Miller Lester from USA.
Mr. Miller Lester, kindly come on stage for the honorable award.
You have to be there to receive the prize. You have to do this at your own time. Miller Lester from USA is going to receive his honorable award from the chief guest, Miller Lester. Thank you so much and congratulations. Okay, I'm now going to announce the next game. Hannah Robert from USA. Please come on this stage to receive her honorable award. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Okay, now I am going to announce another name for the award. Khalil Ahmed from Pakistan. Please come over the stage. Thank you. Okay. Khalil Ahmed from Pakistan for the honorable award. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Now the next prize winner is Ishad Bhatti from Pakistan. Congratulations, sir. Ishad Bhatti from Pakistan. Thank you so much. Now the next prize winner is Asif Ali from Pakistan. Please come over the stage. Thank you, sir. Asif Ali from Pakistan. Okay, now we are going to announce the next name. Mohammad Salim from Pakistan. Congratulations and thank you so much. Now I'm going to announce the last team from this category honorable award. That is Asad Khan from Pakistan. Please come over the stage to receive your award.
We have another category of awards, Best Helping Hand Award. They are the people who have been behind the every scene. Whenever CED is going to arrange any program or such like big events, they support, they guide. So the first time I have Mr. Goharullah Barkat. Sir, please come on the stage for the award. Mr. Goharullah Barkat. On the behalf of Mr. Goharullah Barkat, on the behalf of Mr. Goharullah Barkat, I would like to call Sir Ali Abbas Sayyed. Sir, please come on the stage to receive the award for Mr. Goharullah Barkat. For another award, I would like to call Mr. Khalid Mahmood. Sir, please come on the stage for the award, Best Helping Hand Award. Again, Sir Ali Abbas. So he will receive an award too. A well-known journalist of Sindh, the Pakistan, Mr. Naz Seto, I would like to call him. Sir, please come on the stage for receiving Best Helping Hand Award. A big name for the folk music. Sketches, a well-known band of Pakistan. I would like to call Mr. Saif Samejo. Please come on the stage for receiving the award. Again, Sir Ali Abbas Sayyed will receive the award of Saif Samejo. Another Best Helping Hand Award goes to Mr. Manzoor Jokyo. Mr. Manzoor Jokyo. He's not here. Sir Dr. Baikhan Shah will receive his award. Mr. Mohammad Riazuddin Qureshi for another Best Helping Hand Award. Another name I am calling Mr. Jamat Jethanan, who is already on the stage. Sir Dr. Baikhan Shah, please give him the word. Mr. Jamat Jethanan. Another very important person who has been very supportive, very kind person, Mr. Ahmed Abdullahpur. Sir, kindly come on the stage. He is not here. So Sir Ali Abbas will receive his award later on. Mrs. Asia Amir, please come on the stage for receiving the Best Helping Hand Award. Mrs. Asia Amir.